Emma B. Oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Forget about Dad, I'm covering your private so this can be posted online. Uh-oh! Ride a horsey. Do you want to be a jockey when you grow up? Jessica. There's Jessica.
You're gonna hate your 21st birthday.
I don't know what she's doing. She's not pooping, or else I'd feel it.
Trying to launch her head into orbit.
It's a new party trick. That and she's being a Polish pilot right now.